Watch, pour a little drink in the cup, and if I let go, it magically changes into a different card.
That was amazing.
Be fully healed.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Just like that. What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic. Watch the card. Hello. Float through midair. See them link together. Watch. Oh, magic! I am your host, Evanera. Today I'm showing you 5 fun tricks to do when you're bored.
This bores me.
So if you're ready, hit that thumbs up button and let's go! Okay, I have a cool coin trick to show you. I have a coin and a glass bottle here. So I'm gonna take the coin, go like this, watch. You can see this happen on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Just like that, and the coin goes through.
How did you? I saw it go up your ears.
Crazy?
How did it fit in there? How did you do that?
Actually, look, if you tilt it like this,
No way.
it actually doesn't fit.
That's what I'm saying. How did it do that? How did you just do that? Oh, I want to know. Please. That was amazing. Are you serious?
Alright, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal the secret. The secret to this trick is extremely simple, and I'll teach you how it's done right now. Okay, here's what you need to pull this one off yourself. You need a glass bottle. Really, any glass bottle will do. You can actually do this with a plastic bottle. And then you're going to need 2 coins. One is just a normal standard quarter, and the other is a special magic coin. It's actually laser cut right there, and a very thin rubber band runs around the edge of the coin, which is milled out just like this. You can use this coin for the bite out coin trick, just like this. You fold it back and it looks like you took a bite out of the coin. But for this trick, we're going to use the coin to go into the neck of the bottle just like this and make it look like it's passed through the bottle magically. We have these at evaneratv.com if you want to pick one up. There's a link in the description. We have bite out quarters available for shipping all over the world, so pick one up and you can perform this trick too. So you stick your bite out quarter in the neck of the bottle just like this, and then you're going to conceal it with your hand. So you can hold it like this. The quarter will stay lodged in the neck of the bottle. You're going to conceal that with your hand and hide it from the audience's view. So from the front it's concealed and your audience can't see it. Your other coin is going to start out right here outside of the bottle. You're going to say watch 1, 2, and on the count of 3 you're going to toss this coin up to your other hand, and you're going to catch it underneath these fingers and conceal it. And at the same time, the bite out quarter that's lodged in the neck of the bottle is going to fall down into the bottom of the bottle, and it's going to look like this coin just magically penetrates. 1, 2, 3, just like that. And it's going to be concealed right there. They can see the coin inside the bottle. You can then tilt this upside down and show that the coin doesn't even fit out of the neck of the bottle. You could give this out for a souvenir. It's a super amazing trick, sure to amaze your friends and family whenever you're bored. Now you know the secret of performing the magic coin through the bottle trick. Still bored? Well, stay tuned. Another fun trick is coming up next. Watch, pour a little drink in the cup, and if I let go, the cup will actually just float in midair.
Oh my goodness. What? That's crazy. Wow, that looks so cool. I don't even want to like move.
Want to know the secret? Here's how it's done. This is a classic magic trick, but it's absolutely amazing. It's called the Airborne glass. So it really looks like this cup is just floating, magically levitating from the stream of liquid that is coming out of the can. So the secret is all found in the cup itself. This is a special little plastic cup, and it's got a piece of monofilament. It's like fishing line running right through the middle of the cup, just like that. It runs from one side, it's knotted right there, and it runs all the way across the middle, right to the other side, and it's knotted there. This is key to making the illusion operate. The other key to the trick is this little thing right here. It's a piece of monofilament, and on one end it's got a little hook. It's a little like treble hook, just like this. Kind of looks like something you go fishing with. On the other end it's got a little plastic clip and a metal weight, just like that. So you're gonna open up your can of drink. You're then gonna take the little weight and drop it into the mouth of the can, just like that. And then this little plastic clip right here clips onto the lip of the can, that little metal edge, just like that. Clip it on there. So now we have the weight and the clip on this side, and we have our little hook on this side. And that's right, you guessed it, we're gonna hook it onto the cup. Gonna hook right here in the middle, just like that. So this is what's gonna support the cup and make it look like it's floating in midair. The monofilament is hidden by the stream of liquid coming out of the can. So it looks like the cup is just completely floating, and the stream is just somehow magically suspending it in midair, just like that. And that is how you do the magic floating cup trick. Every magician needs a magic wand. Here's a fun trick that you can do at home. Okay, check this out. I have a red magic wand here. All I'm going to do is give it a wave with my hand like this, and you can see the wand actually begins to change from red to black. And then of course you can take it from black back to red. Here's the steps to setting this up yourself. So all you need is a little magic wand. This is just a plastic wand tube, little wooden ends on it like this. Then you need a long balloon like this that you would make balloon animals with. And you're going to need a pump to pump up the balloon. First step, inflate the balloon. Now you're going to take your magic wand and press it on the front of the balloon. This is the end that you don't inflate. This is the end of the balloon right here. So you're gonna press that on the end of the balloon just like this as you let some air out of the balloon. So you do that at the same time as you press this in. So you take the magic wand, and as you let air out, it's gonna push it down into the balloon just like that. And you can then work it over the end of the wand just like this. Now you have a fake banana. Kidding. All right, so then you get the air out of it. You're then gonna take some scissors and snip off the end, just like that. You're then gonna take the end and roll it down just like this. You're rolling down this top layer just like this, and then you're gonna snip off that part on the end. So now you are left with the wand with one single layer of balloon over it, just like this. Last step is to roll this part back on the wand. Now you are set up to do the trick. Looks like you have a nice little orange magic wand here. Now all you have to do to make it color change is simply roll this up underneath your hand. Almost looks like a Halloween wand. You take it from orange to black, just like that. And all you do is roll this down. You can roll it all the way off, or you can roll it back the opposite direction, make it look like it's turning back into whatever color the balloon is. Or you can roll it all the way off and it will turn into this nice, neat little balloon knot just like this. You can ditch that into your pocket. And that is how you do the color changing magic wand trick. Here's a fun card trick to practice on a boring day. Okay, watch. Take the card like this, and as I move it down, kind of looks like it just magically changes into a different card. Look. That's cool. Super simple secret, here's how it's done. For this fun trick, you're going to need some playing cards. And with these few simple steps, you can make it look like a card magically changes into another. So you need 2 cards from the deck, doesn't matter which 2, and hold them together just like this. Then take the rest of the deck and hold it between your fingers like so. Now here's what the audience doesn't see. From a backside view, here's what's happening. The top card is sliding into the middle of the deck just like this. So as the cards come down, that top card just slides in between the rest of the playing cards just like that, and it looks like the card is just magically changing from one card to another. As you move up and down, it will slide in and out just like so. Creates a really convincing illusion that the playing card is just changing or morphing from one into the other. Try this one out at home. It's an easy DIY trick. You can perform this very easily with just a little bit of practice. Try it out in the mirror first, or record yourself doing it and let me know your results. And that is the secret to the magic changing card trick. This next one's a cool do-it-yourself trick that you can perform at home. Take a look. Okay, I have a really cool trick to show you. So I have like a little lid right here. Also I have a mug that has a necklace inside. Hold out your hand.
Oh, I haven't seen these in a while.
Some beads.
Yes.
Nice. So we're gonna do a trick with these beads. I'm gonna take the lid and set it aside for a moment.
Okay.
And we're gonna take some scissors, and I want you to see that the mug is empty. There's nothing inside the mug in any way. You can check that out and verify for everyone at home.
Yes.
There's no trap doors in there or anything.
Hidden things. No.
Good. Okay, so we're going to take the necklace like this, and we're actually going to cut up the beads.
Okay.
Cut straight, yep.
Okay.
And we're going to start cutting them up. We're going to snip these up just like this. We have a bunch of little sections of beads, effectively destroying this necklace. All right, so I don't think there's any coming back from that. That is pretty well destroyed there. So I'm going to gather these up.
Okay.
Just like this. And we're going to pour these, you can see,
Okay.
into the cup just like this, okay?
Okay.
So we're going to set the lid aside. We have the cup full of the loose beads. Now check this out. All I have to do is give it a wave like this and snap. The magic's already done. Watch. All I have to do is reach in.
Okay. I just saw you cut it up. What? That's it. do that?
Very well.
That was amazing. Yeah. I just saw you cut it up. That's...
You want to know how it's done?
Yes.
Can you keep a secret?
Yes.
This magic seems impossible, but the secret is more simple than you might think. This is a super simple one you can set up at home. All you need is a mug of some kind of cup that's opaque, that is not see-through. You need some scissors, you need 2 necklaces. These are like Mardi Gras beads, 2 that are exactly the same, and you need a lid of some kind, a little cardboard lid. Like a lid to a shoebox would work very well. And then you need these specific moves. Here are the steps. You're gonna start out the trick with one of the necklaces rolled up just like this. And it's gonna be concealed in your hand just like that. So it's hidden right there in the lid. So you're gonna conceal it before the trick starts so the audience doesn't see it. All they see is this necklace, this mug, and the scissors and the lid. So then your first step is to cut up this set of beads. That's the one that the audience sees. So once you have the necklace cut up into a bunch of different little sections, you could even cut it up into individual beads, you're going to dump these into the tray. So you show what appears to be a completely empty tray. As you dump the loose beads into it, we know that our duplicate necklace is concealed right here. So as we dump the loose beads in, we're gonna add that to the necklace that's already in there. And it's gonna blend in really well, they're not gonna notice that. So then we're gonna come over to the mug, which you wanna be sure you show the mug is empty. You don't want them to think there's an extra necklace in there. And then you're gonna take the beads and dump them into the mug. Just like that. You can cleanly show this. Toss it aside, and then you're gonna do some magical waves, say a magic phrase, abracadabra, hocus pocus, whatever you wanna do. And then you're gonna reach in and you're gonna pull out the fully healed beaded necklace, just like that. Make sure they don't see the loose beads in the cup. You're gonna set this aside. You want all the focus right here on the restored necklace. Super easy DIY trick that you can try it at home when you're bored. And that is how you do the magic broken and restored necklace trick. This is the giveaway item for this video. I'm giving away 5 magic bite out quarters to lucky comments in the comment section down below. All you have to do to be eligible to win is leave a thumbs up on the video and leave a comment down in the comment section. Let me know which magic trick from this video was your favorite. We have our bite out quarters available at evanairtv.com. Pick one up so that you can perform the bite out quarter trick and the magic coin in the bottle trick. Available now with international shipping. We have a lot of cool items at evanairtv.com. A bunch of magic tricks. Go check it out. The link for that is in the description, or just type in evanairtv.com. Time to announce the giveaway winners from our last How To Magic video. The winners are these names right here. Send me an email to this email address on the screen with your full mailing address to claim your prize. Thank you to everyone who entered that giveaway, and good luck to everyone entering this giveaway. Be sure to hit the thumbs up and leave a comment below. If you missed the last episode of How To Magic, you can catch up by watching it right over there. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to see all of our videos. The shop is right down there if you want to grab some merch and support the channel. And until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.